there, my name's Taya and I work for Swanee River Regional Library. Due to the corona pandemic, we have had to close our doors, so we're here to provide you with some entertainment that you can enjoy and possibly create at home. This is our virtual crafting corner. Today, we're going to be making some DIY coasters. All you need is some corkboard, scissors, Mod Podge, and a paintbrush, and some either maps, book pages, or anything you can print off on your computer. So our first step is I have printed a 3.5 inch by 3.5 inch circle to set our size. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut that out. Alright, so now that I have my circle, and as you can tell, it is not a perfect circle, nor does it have to be a perfect circle, I'm going to go ahead and take my corkboard, and I'm going to trace this on here 3 times using a marker. Now I have 3 circles traced on here, and I'm going to go ahead and use the scissors to cut them out. Now that you've cut out your 3 circles, you're going to take the white template circle again, and you're going to place it over your 3 items that you want to put on the coaster. For example, I have a cute little hedgehog right here for one of them. I have a map of Washington, D.C. for another. And I have a printed out excerpt from Alice in Wonderland for the third. So you're going to take this, and you're going to take a pen, and you're going to trace it over the part that you want on your coaster. And you're going to cut those out as well. Now that we have our 3 coaster designs cut out, we can go ahead and apply them to our corkboard. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a damp but almost dry paintbrush and some gloss Mod Podge. You're going to take your first piece of corkboard and your first design, and you're going to dip your paintbrush into the Mod Podge and apply it to the corkboard. Make sure you get all of the edges and you don't miss any spots. Once you have the Mod Podge applied to it, you're going to go ahead and you're going to set down your first design. Go ahead and press down on it, make sure that it's on there. Then you're going to take some more Mod Podge and you're going to apply it over the design to seal it in. It's going to apply white, but it will dry clear, so don't worry about that. You want to make sure that you cover all of the edges with it so that it really seals in and the edges don't peel up over time. If your page isn't a perfect fit and you do have some hanging over the edge, you can go ahead and trim that now. Once you have repeated that process on all 3 pieces of corkboard, you then wait for them to dry. Once they're completely dry, your DIY coasters are done. So here is our Alice in Wonderland book page. Here is our hedgehog coaster. And here is our Washington, D.C. map coaster. So that was today's craft. We hope you guys enjoyed, and we look forward to seeing you next time on our virtual crafting corner. Have a great rest of your day.